Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Advanced Elements Air Fusion Evo Inflatable Kayak. This kayak is a great option for anyone looking for a high-performance, inflatable kayak that is easy to set up and pack away. Features: the Air Fusion Evo is made with high-quality materials and features a number of innovative design elements that make it a great choice for paddlers of all levels. Some of the key features of this kayak include drop stitch technology. The main air chambers of the Air Fusion Evo are made with drop stitch technology, which creates a rigid, high-pressure structure that is similar to a hard shell kayak. Low-pressure air thwarts. The air thwarts of the Air Fusion Evo are low pressure, which makes them easy to inflate and deflate. Polyurethane outer skin. The outer skin of the Air Fusion Evo is made with polyurethane, which is a durable and puncture-resistant material. Aluminum keel frame. The Air Fusion Evo features an aluminum keel frame, which provides stability and tracking in the water. Pros. The Air Fusion Evo has a number of pros, including high performance. The Air Fusion Evo is a high-performance kayak that is capable of handling a variety of conditions. Easy to set up. The Air Fusion Evo is easy to set up and take down, making it a great option for paddlers who want a kayak that is easy to transport. Portable. The Air Fusion Evo is lightweight and compact, making it easy to transport and store. Durable. The Air Fusion Evo is made with durable materials, making it a good choice for paddlers who want a kayak that can withstand a variety of conditions. Cons. The Air Fusion Evo has a few cons, including price. The Air Fusion Evo is a more expensive kayak than some other inflatable kayaks. Weight. The Air Fusion Evo is heavier than some other inflatable kayaks. Limited storage space. The Air Fusion Evo has limited storage space, which can be a drawback for paddlers who want to carry a lot of gear. Overall, the Advanced Elements Air Fusion Evo Inflatable Kayak is a great option for anyone looking for a high-performance, inflatable kayak that is easy to set up and pack away. The Air Fusion Evo has a number of pros, including its high performance, ease of setup, and portability. However, it also has a few cons, including its price and weight. Overall, the Air Fusion Evo is a great choice for paddlers who are looking for a high-quality, inflatable kayak that can handle a variety of conditions. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the Air Fusion Evo, please leave a comment below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more kayak reviews. Additional information. Here are some additional information about the Advanced Elements Air Fusion Evo Inflatable Kayak. Length 13, width 34, weight 32 pounds, capacity 300 pounds, price $799. The Air Fusion Evo comes with the following accessories: paddles, seat, repair kit, carry bag. The Air Fusion Evo is a great choice for a variety of paddling activities, including touring, fishing, camping, recreation. If you are looking for a high-performance, inflatable kayak that is easy to set up and pack away, the Advanced Elements Air Fusion Evo is a great option.